Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Derryl with RVFix, and if your Suburban water heater is giving you an E3 code, I'm going to show you how to fix that. First things first, there are several different Suburban water heaters. What I want to do is I want to show you this panel right here is what we're looking at. If you have a Suburban water heater with this panel and it's giving you an E3 code when you start it up, then let's talk about what is going on. There are several reasons why it could be doing this. What it is failure to ignite. Okay, the burner outside in the water heater has a failure to ignite. It could be a control board, it could be a gas valve, but there's one main thing that we want to look at first. There's a thermal disc outside on the water heater, and a lot of times if there's a button on that thermal disc, if it's pressed, or not pressed, but if that thermal button has been engaged, we want to press it and see if that fixes the issue. So let me show you where that is, and it's going to reset this E3 code, and let's go outside and look. So this is what the Suburban water heater looks on the outside. We're going to undo it, the cover, and we're going to look at the Suburban water heater in this section right here. In this upper left-hand section, you're going to have a thermal disc, and right in the middle of that thermal disc is a button. And what we would do is, if I had the E3 code, I'm going to reach my hand back in there and I'm going to press in that button. If it presses in, I would then go check to see if the E3 code went away. If it goes away and then comes back on, you have another issue. Like I said, it could be the control board or the gas valve, but that's where I check first to reset that.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.